So, how long will it take to install my roof? Hi, I'm Max with Van Martin Roofing. One of the first questions homeowners ask us is, how long is this going to take? Replacing a roof can sound stressful, so here's what to expect and how we make the process quick and easy. We completely understand that having work done on your home can feel overwhelming. You might worry about the noise, mess, or how long your home will be under construction, and those are all valid concerns. The good news is, with Van Martin, a roof replacement happens a lot faster and smoother than most people expect. For most homes, the entire process takes 1, maybe 2 days. Day 1 is preparation and tear off. Our crew arrives early, usually around sunrise, and the first thing we do is protect your property. We lay down tarps around your landscaping, set up plywood over windows and doors, and move or cover anything that could be affected by debris. Then we begin removing your old shingles. During this stage, we inspect the decking, which is the wood underneath your shingles. If any sections are soft, rotted, or damaged, we replace them right away, because your new roof is only as strong as the base it's built on. By midday, installation begins. Once the roof is cleared and inspected, we start installing the underlayment, which acts as a waterproof barrier. Then, shingle or metal panel installation begins. You'll see the transformation happen fast. By lunchtime, most homes already look completely different. And the end of day, finishing and cleanup by late afternoon. Many roofs are completely finished. Our cleanup starts immediately. We roll magnets to collect nails, sweep, and make sure your yard looks as good or better than before we arrived. Larger or more complex roofs, like those with steep slopes, multiple layers, or skylights, can take an extra day or two, but even then, we plan carefully so your home is never left exposed overnight. And throughout the process, we keep you updated. You'll always know what's happening, when, and why. We know it's your home, not a job site, and we treat it that way. When the job's done, the only thing left behind is a brand new roof and a lot of peace of mind. Want to see what your roof installation timeline would look like? Click the link in our bio to schedule your free inspection and get a custom estimate for your home.